leaving Athens. We're going to Katowice in Poland. We have arrived. This is the street, the walking street. Oh my god, that's a cross. Our hotel is located here. This is supposed to be a busy street with lots of restaurants, a lot of people around here. And that's what I saw on the internet from some YouTube vloggers. It's early, that's why the restaurants are empty. We have arrived here at the hotel Best Western. Oh, we can relax. Reception. Here's the restaurant. Wow, we have a bar. We don't have to go anywhere else. They have a bar here in the hotel. Smells good here. This is our room. It smells so good. Clean carpet.
Here you go, vlogger.
Oh, so nice. Smelling good. So here's the extra 3 small beds. Triple room. Here's the table. It's small, but it's very decent. Is this free? I'm not sure.
Yes.
Let's see, you have plancha, iron board. Let's turn on the light. Shower. There's the vegetables. Let's see the view outside. Oh, that's nice. So we have a lot of restaurants here. We don't have to go far, to walk far. So Papa gonna say, okay, I will not wait for you. I go downstairs and drink beer. So here we have alarm clock, and a radio. So here they have, so I could charge. It's connected to this. We are in Katowice and we're not really sure where we're going, because this is not a popular destination. Oh, Katowice is alive. We were here earlier and look now, it's so nice, a lot of people. A lot of restaurants around here, left and right. There are no cars allowed here. It's kind of fun. Earlier today when we checked in at the hotel, it wasn't like this. Now, this is the city I like to see. Everybody happy, everybody having a good time, everybody eating. And now what's the time, Dawn? What's the time? 8 o'clock? 7:30? Huh? 8 o'clock. Now it's 8 o'clock. So we are in a perfect location. We don't have to go far to look for a place to eat. Everything is here. Japanese, Polish, or other European cuisine. There's some Polish entertainment, street entertainment here. Let's see. It's a nice walking street. This is one of the attractions here. Let's take a look here.
It's a big city.
Yeah, it's a modern city, although there are some old buildings. It's modern. That's what I can say. They have a very nice bike lane. What? Huh?
Very clean.
Very clean. What is that? Lodovato. Dodovato. What is it? Ice cream? Cafe Katowice. They pronounce the W V, like victory. I described this place like a combination of old and new. See that? That's an old building, old design, and this one is new. It's like a big park. It's a resort. Done sunbed, so it's perfect in summer. Look at them, just having a good time, and it's a safe city. They have beautiful buildings. It almost resembles Prague. Some of the buildings in Prague, but this is modern. It's like modern and old at the same time. Katowice 2023, 2019. I suppose these are famous people. There's a huge contrast in Katowice, the modern and this one. Here is the modern side of Katowice, and this is the old style of Katowice. We're going there, this odd-shaped building. It's like a UFO from outer space. Browar, Mariacki, brewery and restaurant. You know, this is a I think this is a brewery and restaurant. You have to order something like beer. They have very good beer. It's a brewery. I want to try the cider. I want to try it. I'm not sure if it's the dry or the semi-dry. I will ask him. What you suggest for me?
Semi-dry.
Okay. Wow.
Oh.
What did you order?
Polish.
What is this? Some tourists too who like to visit Katowice to eat. If you like to eat, to come here. But it's not cheap. It's not cheap. Don't expect it to be cheap here. It's a little bit on the upscale. This is the famous, what do you call this? Traditional ZAPIEKANKI. This is famous. I saw this in some videos. This is the place we're gonna come here, taste tomorrow.